number 28, number 20, Galaites, number 24, Capuno, and number 2, AJ Chanoba.
Bro, what are the kids doing the president of the French things? They're like, they don't do this shit.
Adidas.
I know, I'm like,
That's unlucky.
Referees for tonight is Stuart and Kuya Ryan. This is the second game. Silog versus Route 22, Province 2. First possession belongs to Route 22. Capuno drives, there's a foul. Foul on Silog. Number 10. Manalili first personal foul, first team foul. So Capuno will shoot 2 free throws. For Route 22. First free throw is no good for Capuno. Second one is good for Capuno, putting Route 22 on the board. Downtown. Pushing foul on the baseline on number 23, Marvin Sampson, first personal foul, first team foul. Downtown. Butani. Kuya. To Downtown shot, no good, rebound, Malvas. To Galaites. Galaites to Sampson, pass is too low. Good intention, but pass is too low to handle. Kuya. Kuya Masilawi. Kuya to Masilawi. Back to Kuya, to Mandain. Kuya shot, Kuya scores. Silog is on the board. After the bucket of Angelo Kuya. And Chanoba to Galaites. Mark to Malvas. Malvas, pass to Samson. To Capuno. Capuno from the logo. Yes, sir. That's a deep three for Capuno. 4-2 in favor of Route 22. Downtown to Dami. Dami shot. No good. Rebound. Manalili keeping it alive for Silog. Kuya, Chakotake play. Yes, sir. Back and forth battle between these two teams. Silog regains the lead. 5-4. This is for Galaites. To Capuno, corner three. Capuno on a hitter. Heat check for Ray Capuno. 5-7, strikes again. Kuya to Downtown. Downtown. Dami. Maslawi with the ball. 8 seconds to shoot. Kuya. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 24. Alain Capuno, first personal foul, second team foul. So 2 free throws for Angelo Kuya. First free throw is good for Angelo. Those players before you left or you leave for home, please proceed to the media day or photo shoot. Don't forget to have your photos taken. 1 out of 2 for Kuya. Lane violation for Route 22. 1 more free throw for Silog. Again, players, have your photos taken before you go home. Go to the media day or photo booth for your individual and team photos. 1 more free throw for Kuya is good. 7-6 is the score in favor of Route 22. Turnover for Route 22. 7-6 in favor of Route 22. Kuya, spin, drive, no good, rebound, AJ Chanoba. Sorry, the official score is 7-all. 7-all is the score. Tied ball game at 7 apiece. Malbas against Kuya. What's the call, Rep?
19.
Offensive foul on number 18, Malbas. Offensive foul on number 18. First personal foul is third team foul. Newsom is in the ball game now. Newsom to Downtown. Against Echanova. Mananili, that's it up, dummy. Ball recovered by Kuya, 7 on the shot clock. Kuya to Newsom, Newsom for 3. No good. Last touch on Route 22, so Silog retains possession, 13 on the shot clock. Kuya, elbow jumper, no good, rebound at Echanova. Echanova with the ball. Echanova to the lightest overshoots, rebound, Echanova. Echanova to Capuno for 3, no good. Rebound, Echanova. Echanova drives, overshoots, rebound, Galaites, shot no good, rebound, Manalili. Kuya to Downtown, challenges the bigay from Samson, no good, rebound, Malbas. Capuno to Samson, to Galaites. Galaites shot, and one to the foul for Galaites. Sabrep. Who's foul red? Foul is number 9, dummy. 19, Asher Dummy, first personal foul, third team foul. For Sobigan and Mutante checks in for Route 22. Dunning checks out. For Silog. Pestano checks in. Bonus free throw is no good for the Lighters. 9-7 in favor of Route 22. Gautam for Kuya. Kuya, floater is good for Kuya. Ties the ball game at 9 apiece. Echanova. For Sobigan for 3. No good. What's the call, Rep? Foul is on number 13. Mitante, first personal foul, warning for penalty. Kuya to Downtown, floater is good for Robin Downtown. The Lighters, wide open play, yes sir! Route 22 regains the lead, 1-point lead for Route 22 Providence Rules. Downtown to Pestano. Pestano loses the handle, recovers the ball. Floater no good, rebound, Manalili. Good block no good, rebound, Downtown. Kuya drives. Traveling violation committed by Kuya. No basket. Traveling violation is the call of the referee. Turnover. It's a no. Kuya Ryan. Sideline for him. So turnover for Silog. Last 67 seconds. Echanova to Samson, what a find! Kuya to Downtown, wide open play. Too strong, rebound Kuya. Kuya mid-range Jay short, rebound Samson. Samson on the loose. Samson drives. Offensive foul is the Oliver referee. Turnover for Marvin. Second personal foul, 15 foul. Last 26 seconds. 2 seconds differential of the game clock and shot clock. Gautang drive. Gautang score. Last 6 seconds. The lightest rainbow tree, no good. Rebound for Sobigan. That's the end of the first quarter. Official score 14 for Route 22 Providence Juniors and 13 for Sinop. Again, to the players, please have your photos, individual photos, and team photos taken before you go home. Thank you. Our third game for tonight, Swiss Mortgages versus Roxanne Clear. Okay, back to the ball game. Second quarter possession belongs to Silog. Gautang with the ball. Gautang, top of the key play. Yes, sir! Silog regains the lead. Capuno will answer. Short. Foul number 23. Marvin Sampson, that's 3 on Marvin Sampson. First team foul on Route 22. Next sublet. Gautang to Kuya. Kuya, screen by Dami. To Gautang. Gautang attacks the basket. Layup is good. Fearless drive for Ruben Gautang. Echanova. Echanova drives. Left to layup is good for Echanova. Gautang spin, drops it off to Masarawi. To Kuya. Kuya 1-on-1 with Corsovigan. Floats it up. No good. Rebound. Estano. Asher with the ball. Asher against Capuno. 7 on the shot clock. 6 seconds to shoot. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. Kuya. Shot no good. Saved by McLaren to the wrong side. Echanova to Ayumal. Ayumal back to Echanova. Reverse layup no good. Rebound Kuya. Kuya to Dani. Asher fakes. Floater is good. What a time by Kuya. 4-point lead by Silog. Marvin Sampson with a screen. Scooping layup for Marvin Sampson. What a screen by Marvin. 2-point lead by Silog. Kuya gets it out to Robin. Stepping out of bounds. Turnover Sabret. Turnover for Silog. Sabret. Echanova spins. to Maslawi, coast to coast. Layup is good for Maslawi. 4-point lead by Silog. Malbas to Galaites. Galaites for three. Rebound Dami. Dami pass intercepted by Capuno. Capuno to Echanova. To Capuno along two. Short rebound Dami. Dami to Gautam. Gautam goes to post. Layup is good. Timeout. Route 22. Try number 2. 6 minutes and 13 remaining in the second quarter. 24-18. 6-point lead by Silog. Okay, back to the ball game. 5 minutes and 22. 6-point lead by Silog. Metante with the ball. For Chanova. Echanova, screen by Samson. Echanova looking for a teammate to Capuno. Poor spacing for R22. Galaites drives. Now good rebound Manalili. Unlucky for Galaites. Maslawi to apply to the basket. There's a foul. What's the call, ref? You guys keep your cool. Foul is on number 20. Mark Galaites, first personal foul, second team foul. And Maslawi will shoot 2 free throws for Silog. First free throw for Maslawi is good. It's now a 7-point lead for Silog. Strong second quarter for Silog. 1 out of 2 for Silog. Maslawi regains the possession for Silog. Possession remains in Silog. Oh no, it's Rock 22. Turnover for Silog. Echanova with the ball. To Galaites. Echanova tapos na kay Trey. Short. Rebound Gautam. Next sublet. Kuya, screen by Manalili. Kuya, challenges the defense of Saxon. Layup is good for Kuya. 8-point lead now. Sorry, it's 9. 9-point lead for Silog. Capuno, tumisante. Samson spins. Layup no good. This is a foul under the basket. Sabret. Sabret. Foul number 19. Asher Dani, second personal foul. First team foul. 2 free throws will be given to Marvin Samson. First free throws no good for Marvin. 2 minutes and 28 in the second quarter. 1 out of 2 for Gautam with the ball. Gautam to Maslawi. Denied by Galaites. What a block by Galaites. Possession, not 22. Sabret, injury sub. Mashlawi is shaken up. Subbed out by Kuya. Hopefully, Muhammad is okay. Next Sabret. Malbas to Capuno. Marvin inside. Fakes. Shot. No good. Foul underneath the basket on Silog. Number 12. Pistano, first personal foul, second team foul. Number 12 or 0? 0, sorry. Not on Pistano. On Gautam, first personal foul and second team foul. Marvin will shoot 2 free throws. First free throw is no good from Marvin. Mid 22 is trailing by 9. Sorry, 8 rather. Last 63 seconds in the second quarter. 0 out of 2 for Marvin. Rebound Manalili. Lusong to Kuya. Foul on number 13, Sabret. Foul on Matante, second personal foul, third team foul. Capuno for Sabigan. Kuya, stolen by Malbas. For Sabigan, pass intercepted by Gautam, just foul underneath the basket. Foul on number 13. Mitante, third personal foul, warning for penalty. Last 13 seconds. Gautam to Lusong for 3, no good. Foul on number 10, Manalili. Third personal foul, third team foul. That's the end of the first half. Official score 27 for Silog and 19 for Route 22 Traveling Tours. Okay, let's proceed to the second half. Third quarter possession belongs to Route 22 Traveling Tours. Nova for Kuya, number 3 Kuya. Kuya, coast to coast, layup is good for Angelo Kuya. Capuno, no good, rebound, Samson. To Hechanova, Hechanova fakes, to Porsovic. Shot no good, rebound from Tam. Kuya with the ball. Kuya screen by Manalili. Kuya drives. Kuya scores. Malbas, Alvin James, number 3 pound, Manalili. Foul underneath the basket. Foul is on number 23. Marvin Samson, that's 4 on Samson. First team now, Sabret. Samson for the lightest. Samson is in foul trouble. The scorer, Marvin. Point lead by Silog. Gautam to Kuya. Kuya to Luzon. Luzon to Gautam. Gautam to Luzon. For three. Yes, sir! Women triple goal. Terry Luzon. And Janova. Strong run to the basket. Layup is good. Stop the drought for Route 22. Trouble for two. 13.3 for Sino. Kuya against Forza Viga. Kuya challenge sa liban sa Albas. No rebound Kuya. Fakes. Shot is good. Put back by Kuya is good. And Janova, one run to the basket, no good. Rebound, Magali. Goes down to Mashlawi, all alone, on the shoot. Sorry, miss for Mashlawi. Rebound, Capuno. Galaitas, Mauser, in and out, rebound, Galaitas. Puts back by Galaitas, is good. Time out, Silong. Silong calls for a timeout. 7 minutes exactly remaining in the third quarter. 36-23 in favor of Silong. Okay, back to the ball game. Our third game, please be ready. Rich Mortgages versus Roxanne Studios. Gautam drops it up to Dami. Baseline J short. Rebound Malvas. It's Chanova to Samson. Samson drive. Shot is good for Marvin Samson. 11.3 for Sino. Mashlawi against Malvas. Pass too strong for Dami. Turnover for Sino. Galaitas, one-on-one against Mashlawi. Ball over by Chanova. Marvin with a putback after the miss of Chanova. Putback is good for Marvin. It's just a 9-point lead. The lead is cut down to 9. Next up, left. Kuya, screen by Dami. Kuya, by the way, Jay Gilbert, rebound. Malvas. Malvas to Marvin. Marvin goes to close. Gilbert, rebound, Gautam. Gautam. That's it up to Dami. What a foul line by Gautam to Dami. Back to the double figure lead for Silo. And Chanova for play. Too strong. Luzon with the ball. Kuya with numbers. Shot by Mashlawi. No good. Rebound Galaitas. Galaitas. Layup overshoot. Rebound at Chanova. Pass stolen by Luzon. Gautam. Pass deflected. Recovered by Mashlawi. Shot by Kuya. No good. Rebound. Capuno. Stolen by Luzon. Luzon drives, Luzon scores. 13.3 for Silo. Malvas to Galaitas. Marvin staying. Layup is good for Marvin. Kicks it out. To Lusong for three. In and out. Rebound Samson. Hechanova. Layup is good for AJ Hechanova. The lead is 9. Kuya asking for three. Kuya. Now against Malbas. 4 seconds to shoot. 3 seconds to shoot. No time for three. No good. Rebound Galaitas. Galaitas drives Galaitas to score. Gautang with the ball. The lead is cut down to 7 by Root 22. 10 seconds to shoot. 7 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Turnover to Kuya. Stolen by Malbas. Capuno left to right is good. Here comes Root 22, Capital 2. Gautang for three, number 3 for Malbas. Malbas, pass deflected, intercepted by Gautang. Kuya, one-on-one against Galaitas. Lauter is good for Kuya. Good defense, but better offense for Kuya. Hechanova, 3, shot for good. There's a foul underneath the basket. Substitution red. Foul is on number 15. Angelo Kuya, first personal foul, first team foul. Galaitas checks out, Lepanta checks in, Lusong checks out, and Castano checks in. First free throw is good for AJ Hechanova. Cutting the lead to 7. For Root 22, troubling 2. No good in the second one, but rebounded by Marvin. Marvin put the for a good rebound Malbas. Malbas put the end one plus a foul. Foul is on number 9. Castano. Oh, sorry, number 19, Dami. Third personal foul, second team foul. So bonus free throw coming right up for Malbas. The lead suddenly slips down to 5. Bonus free throw for Carl Malbas. Last 8 seconds. Bonus free throw is good for Malbas. Last 1 second. That's the end of the third quarter. Official score 42 for Silog and 39 for Root 22 Travel Tours. $42-39 is the official score. 3-point lead by Silog. Okay, back to the ball game. This is the last and final quarter of our second game. Fourth quarter possession belongs to Silog. It's just a 3-point lead for Silog after a rally by Route 22 Traveling Tours. Gautam with the ball. Gautam for three. Yes, sir. 3 points to this match for Robin Gautam. The lead is 6. Malbas Malancer. In and out. Rebound Kuya. Kuya with the ball. Kuya drives. Kuya scores. 47-30. No longer 47-39 is the score. Capuno. Corner three, no good. Rebound Malbas. Put back is good by Malbas. Have a foul. Foul is on. Go, relax. Who's foul? Foul is on number 19. Asher Dunning, fourth personal foul, first team foul. Official score, 47-41 in favor of Silog. Don't worry about the score, just play. 47-41 in favor of Silog. Bonus hit is no good, rebound Marvin. Stepping out of bounds for Route 22. Turnover for Route 22. 6-point lead for Silog. Kuya drives. Kuya scores. Stolen by Gautam. Turnover for Route 22. The lead is 8 for Silog. Kuya, foul on the floor. Foul is on number 13. Metante, that score on Metante. Sabret, first team foul on Route 22. Metante for Porceligan. 14 on the shot clock for Route 22. The lead is 8. Gautam drops it off. The dot to Mashlali. Ball recovered by Kuya. 5 on the shot clock. 3 seconds to shoot. 2 seconds to shoot. Shot clock violation committed by Silog. Turnover for Silog. What a defense for Route 22, forcing a turnover for Silog. Porceligan to Capuno. To Marvin. Marvin plays. Shot no good, rebound, and complete. Jump ball possession. Route 22 Traveling Tours. Baseline inbound for Route 22. The lightest to Porceligan. To Malbas moves closer. Layup is good for Carl Malbas. The lead is cut down to 6. 49-43. Gautam. Foul on the floor. Before the shot, 26. Porceligan, first personal foul, second team foul. Sideline throw in for Silog. Kuya with the ball. Manalili inside, off the pass of Kuya. What a find by Kuya. Porceligan with the ball. To Malbas, Steve. Possession remaining. Last touch by Route 22, turnover for Route 22. Kuya, 1-on-1 against the Lightest. Now against Porceligan. Next Sabret. Kuya, asking for a clear out. Kuya, what's the call, ref? Foul is on number 26. Porsovigan, second personal foul, third team foul. Porsovigan checks out, Chanova checks in. Timeout, Silog. That's the first timeout of Silog, 4 minutes and 49 in the fourth quarter. Silog consumed the first timeout. Okay, back to the ball game. 4 minutes and 7 seconds remaining. 8-point lead by Silog. Baseline rebound for Silog. 14 in the shot clock. Mashlawi with the ball. To Kuya, bounded by Galaites. Kuya drive. No good. Rebounded Chanova. Forward pass to the sweeping Malvas. Malvas all alone. Layup is there. The lead is 6. Lazy pass from Manalini. Stolen by Samson. Samson scores! The lead is cut down to 4. Manalini the ball. Kuya, 1-on-1 with Galaites for 3, no good. Rebounded Chanova to Malvas. Malvas with the ball to Marvin. Foul is on the floor. Foul on Silog number 0. Dalton, second personal foul, second team foul. 2 minutes and 43 remaining. Baseline rebound for 22. Capuno. Shot. Contact. Foul underneath the basket for number 19. Daming, that's it for the night for Asher. Fouled out. Asher Daming's fouled out. That's fifth personal foul on Asher. So Pestana will check in to Daming. First free throw is no good for Ali. The lead is 4 for Silog. 2 minutes and 41 remaining. Second one is good for Capuno, cutting it to 3. Manalini to Galtan. Kuya, bounded by Galaites. To Galtan. Galtan, LOJ, number 3 rebound, Manalini. Keeping it alive for Silog. Foul on the floor. Foul is on number 2, Chanova. First personal foul, warning for penalty. Warning for penalty, Route 22, fouling 2. On the shot clock for Silog. 2 minutes and 19 remaining. It's just a 2-point lead. Kuya with the ball. Kuya made a big shot. No good. Rebound by Samson. The Chanova was down. Panson, pass to Galaites. Galaites for 3, no good. Rebound Kuya. Kuya to Mashlawi. Mashlawi overshoots. Rebound Galaites. And Chanova with the ball. And Chanova drops it out to Marvin. Sorry, official score 51-48. Official score 51-48. 3-point lead by Silog. Turnover for Route 22. One minute and 35 seconds left in the final quarter. Kuya, Elbow J, no good. Rebound, Galaites. Galaites exchange the ball for Route 22. 3-point lead by Silog. And Chanova for three, no good. Rebound Malvas. Stepping out of bounds for Route 22, Providence Tours. Turnover for the Blue Shirts. 1 minute and 17 seconds left. Hispano to Gautam. 1 minute and 8 seconds. 3-point lead by Silog. Kuya against Malvas to Gautam. 8 seconds to shoot. Gautam, Gautam scores! And one to the foul for Robin Gautam. Foul on Route 22, Providence Tours. What a drive by Robin. Putting the look, giving Silog a 5-point lead, 57.5 remaining in the last quarter. So, unsportsmanlike foul or disciplinary? One shot and then one. So there's a technical foul on number 20 from Route 22. So Galaites, technical foul on him. So bonus free throw plus ball possession will be given to Silog. Technical free throw is good for Angelo Pio. Hang on. Kuya Ryan. Basket is good, yeah? So possession will be with Route 22 or Silog? So there's no foul, but the basket counts. So 6-point lead for Silog. And Chanova left the layup short. Possession remains with Route 22. Last 50 seconds. And Chanova to Napuno, corner play, in and out. Rebound Malvas, chances to Chanova. It's a foul underneath the basket. Foul is on Silog. Number 12, Silog. Number 12, first personal foul. Hang on, left. Hang on. Penalty. We're in the penalty. First personal foul on Silog, penalty.
You have to adjust it again. You run the clock.
The penalty, 2 shots for AJ Chanova. First free throw is good for AJ. Cutting the lead to 5, 44 seconds left. One out of two for AJ rebound, Manalili. The lead is 5. Kuya drives. Kuya scores. There's a foul. Foul is on number 24. Penalty red. Capuno, second personal foul. Chance for end one for Kuya. 7-point lead. 37.2 seconds remaining. Official score 55-49. Lane violation committed by red 22. So one more free throw will be given to Kuya. 37.2 seconds remaining. 55-49 is the score. Bonus free throw for Kuya is good. The lightest for Clay. Overshoots. Rebound Thompson. Put back no good. There's a foul underneath the basket. Foul on number 12. Penalty red. Castano's second personal foul. Penalty. 30.7 seconds left. Third game is ready. Fish Mortgages versus Raptor Line Studio. First free throw is off for Marvin. Second one still no good. Rebound the lightest. The lightest putback is good for White the lightest. Kuya loses the ball. McLaren recovers the ball. Foul on Marvin Sampson. Foul is for number 23. That's it for Marvin. Fifth personal foul penalty. Marvin checks out. Porsavigan checks in. Oh, sorry, it's on Ayunaw. First free throw is no good for Mashlawi. Second free throw, no good. Rebound Malpas. Last 20 seconds. Echanova for 3, short. Rebound Manalili. What's the call, right? Unsportsmanlike foul on number 9. Ayunaw, first personal foul. So 2 shots plus 4 possession for Silog. Two free throws will be given to Gautang. First free throw is no good for Gautang. Last 11 seconds in the ball game. Second one is no good. The possession remains with 0. Last 11 seconds. So another unsportsmanlike foul for 22. It's on Malvas, second personal foul. So 2 free throws plus 1 possession for Silog. Mashlawi, first paper is no good. Second one still no good. Last 9.2 seconds. Manalili to Kuya. The That's the end of the second game. Official score, 56 for Silog and 51 for Route 22, Caroline Tubes. Our third game, Swiss Mortgages versus Roxanne Studios. 2-minute warm-up.